Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. Google Bard, the powerful language model, has introduced a fantastic new feature called Draft an Email. Open your web browser and go to bard.google.com. In the Bard prompt, type "Write resignation email to HR" and press Enter. Bard will generate a response to your request. At the bottom of the generated response, you'll see a button labeled Export Response. Click on it. A menu will appear. Click on Draft an Email. A new draft email will be created in your Gmail account. Click on the Open Email button to make changes to the draft. A new tab will open with Gmail, displaying the generated draft email. Make any necessary changes to the email, such as adding specific details or personalizing the content. When you're ready to send the email, click the Send button.